Tirar foto? Vídeo. Caralho, mano. Сектора, беріть сектора, блядь. Туда, Я держу. СРБ, да? Плюс. Сюда, блядь! Сюда, бегом! Бегом нахуй упал, блядь! Упал нахуй! У вас оружия нет, вы подпасывали нахуй.
Там вот у них стрелился.
Назад руки, блядь! Руки на солнце стрелялся.
A new and shocking video from the front lines has emerged, showing joint Colombian and Ukrainian forces storming heavily fortified Russian trenches in a ferocious assault that left enemy positions in ruins. The footage, recorded by helmet cameras and drones, captures every second of the brutal firefight as the combined units advance through smoke, explosions, and chaos.
Заходим! Що там вчили? Ти вчили? Я нога ранена.
The assault began at dawn as a thick mist rolled across the battlefield. Under the cover of fog, Ukrainian infantry and their Colombian counterparts moved silently through shattered terrain, their boots sinking into the mud of what was once a Russian defensive line. Suddenly, the silence was shattered by the roar of machine guns, grenades, and mortar fire.
Засовуйся нахуй, мразь!
Ukrainian commanders had planned the operation meticulously, coordinating drone reconnaissance and infantry movement to perfection. The Colombian volunteers, known for their jungle warfare experience, moved swiftly and decisively, using their agility to flank Russian positions from unexpected angles.
Сектора, беріть сектора, блядь. Туда. Я держу.
The footage shows the moment the assault team breached the first trench, Russian soldiers, caught off guard, scrambled to respond as bullets tore through the air. Grenades exploded within seconds, sending shockwaves of fire and dirt into the sky. The attackers pressed forward without hesitation, shouting commands over the deafening roar of battle.
По-сомалійськи хуяри! Залупа, прикривай течення, блядь! Тримай, раз! Та зараз я дам, блядь, чекай! Я закину, старий, ти не переживай, що я, блядь! Валериш, а я, блядь, стою, блядь, ззаді, блядь, а?
One segment of the video shows a Colombian soldier tossing a grenade into a dugout before diving for cover. A massive explosion follows, and moments later, Ukrainian troops pour into the trench, securing the position. The coordination between the two forces appears seamless, as if they had trained together for years.
Там бойниця, блядь, давай гранату. Там бойниця прямо, блядь, вилазить, блядь, дирка. Дивись, знаєш, що зробимо?
Reports suggest this joint assault took place in a contested sector near Donetsk, where Russian troops had established fortified trench networks. Despite heavy resistance, the combined Ukrainian-Colombian units managed to break through multiple defensive layers, eliminating dozens of enemy combatants in close-quarters fighting. The camera footage captures brutal hand-to-hand combat as the attackers clear one trench after another. Muzzle flashes illuminate faces hardened by determination and fury. Every meter gained comes at a tremendous cost, but the momentum never slows. The attackers push deeper, shouting, "Forward!" as the enemy begins to retreat in panic.
Сука, я його бачу. Блядь, я не попав. На нахуй! Хорошо, автоматно!
Готовьтесь, сейчас поясни.
Давай,
Никто не гоняет! Давай, давай!
Drone footage from above paints a grim picture. Russian positions are collapsing under pressure as explosions ripple through the trenches. Smoke rises in thick black columns while scattered soldiers attempt to flee across open ground, only to be cut down by precision fire from Ukrainian marksmen. According to Ukrainian military sources, the Colombian fighters integrated into special assault units after extensive joint training. Their experience in counterinsurgency and close combat proved invaluable during this trench-clearing operation. The footage demonstrates how their aggressive tactics amplified the effectiveness of Ukrainian assaults.
Все, выходь, быстрее!
Давай, давай!
Быстрее!
Направо!
Наверх, наверх!
As the fighting intensified, Russian reinforcements attempted to counterattack, but were quickly pinned down by Ukrainian drone strikes and suppressive fire. Explosions rocked the flanks as FPV drones dived into enemy positions, turning the battlefield into a chaotic inferno of destruction. The audio from the video is filled with shouts, gunfire, and the thunder of artillery in the distance. Amid the chaos, voices can be heard calling for medics and ammunition. Yet, even under relentless fire, the combined force maintains discipline, advancing step by step until the last Russian strongpoint falls. Analysts say the participation of Colombian fighters is symbolic of growing international support for Ukraine. It underscores the global recognition of Russia's aggression and the willingness of foreign volunteers to stand shoulder to shoulder with Ukrainian troops in one of the bloodiest wars of the 21st century. By the end of the footage, the battlefield is unrecognizable, trenches filled with debris, shattered weapons, and silence broken only by the hiss of burning ammunition boxes. Ukrainian commanders hailed the operation as a decisive tactical victory, claiming that several kilometers of enemy defenses were overrun in a matter of hours. The combination of Ukrainian precision and Colombian ferocity created a shockwave that Russian units failed to contain.
Огнемети, потягуємо! Дивись! Ти по центру піздуй, беха стала!
Сука, вбивай! Все, досідайся нахуй!
Помахай камеру, Улыбаємося і машемо!